Hi guys. So today we will be looking at this error that happens when we do Flutter upgrade. So this happens mostly due to us having some changes in the Flutter Git repo. So we can either quickly bypass this using this force flag. So the issue is that is next time when we do the Flutter upgrade, now we'll most likely encounter the same error again. So how to quickly resolve this? Just go to your Flutter SDK path, open a command prompt there or terminal or PowerShell whichever OS you are on. You can also on Windows you can also open PowerShell or command prompt by just typing in cmd or PowerShell and the address bar. Then if you type in git status, you can see that we do have some changes in the Flutter git repo. So we want to remove that. So we can type in git reset hyphen hyphen hard, then head. We will just reset the git repo back to the last commit. Then we type in git clean hyphen fd. F stands for force and default directory. So if you want to remove all the untracked changes along with all directories and files, you can see that we have removed whatever change was there. And now if you type in git status again, we can see that the working tree is clear. And if we go back to the previous terminal, just type in Flutter upgrade again. We do this, it should work fine. You can see that the upgrade is working fine right now.